Hello everyone. Welcome to the series of data analysis using Excel. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to compute standard deviation and variance in Excel. You can find more videos on Excel, SPSS, RStudio, Mathematical Economics, Statistics, and Econometrics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So standard deviation and variance both are measures of dispersion. Now let's understand the meaning of standard deviation and variance. Standard deviation measures the spread of data around the mean, providing insight into the variability or consistency of the data set. Whereas variance quantifies the degree of dispersion in the data by calculating the average squared deviations from the mean. So it is useful in understanding the data variability. Now here I have the hypothetical data of two players and their runs in 10 matches. So let's see the standard deviation of player 1 and player 2 and then variance. So player 1, here we have the standard deviation and here we have variance. And then we have player 2. So what is the standard deviation of player 1? The formula is equal to STDEV. The function is STDEV in bracket. Select the range. So it is A2 to A11. Close the bracket. Enter. So standard deviation of player 1 is 15.98. Now let's find the standard deviation of player 2. So is equal to again STDEV. Open the bracket. Select the range. B2 to B11. Enter. So here you can see the standard deviation of player 2 is lower than player 1. That means player 2 is more consistent than player 1. Now let's see the value of variance. So it is equal to VAR. In bracket, select the range. So again, it is A2 to A11. Enter. So answer is 255.56. Again is equal to variance. Select the range of player 2. That is B2 to B11. And press enter. Right? So variance is nothing but the square of standard deviation. So this is how we can use the concept of measures of dispersion, particularly standard deviation and variance, in analyzing the data. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.